Hello friends. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can repair your Nissan March k11 vehicle uh, air conditioner if it's only switches on in maximum speed of the blower. So you can see here this is the blower motor fan speed controller. So you can turn these switches like this, and if the air conditioner turns on only if in the maximum speed level, then uh, you have to do some replacement of the component in your vehicle. So I have to say that this vehicle is Nissan March k11 2001 model, 4-door petrol vehicle. So the most common reason for this kind of problem is your uh, blower motor resistor has been damaged, uh, and you have to replace that component, or you can repair that blower motor fan resistor. So you can see here, this is that blower motor fan resistor. You can see this clearly. You can see this is a very old component, as this vehicle is also made in 2001 year. So you can imagine that this component is 21 years old now. So you can get an idea with this rust. So that's why I can say this component is very old. So you can see here 4 pins there, and 2 places to fix screws. And the usual thing that's happened in this resistor is, you can see here I have added some soldering flux here during the previous repair works. So you can see that very thin lines in this resistor. Those are the connections. That what happened is, when these resistors get old, if you look closely, you can find in some place of these lines there will be a small place that disconnected or broken. You can find out that using that a small piece of this paint kind of thing has teared has broken from this board, and due to that you can see that thin line has broken in a very small length. So what you have to do is, if you can find a small wire, and you can solder that small length, and you can repair this resistor. And I have tried that way for several times, but that method is not last long, because when the blower is turned on, that means the AC is turned on, this resistor get really hot. So that soldered wire piece is almost red hot, and there is a very high probability that wire piece gonna disconnect again, and that solder is gonna get melted. So what I use as a solution for that is I solder that broken connection and I put some soldering flux on top of it. You can see that this is not that liquid soldering flux. This is the soldering flux which comes as a brick, little brick, and when you put the soldering iron, the tip of the soldering iron into that flux, only that time that flux get melted. So when that soldering flux is in a normal temperature, it's in the solid state. So after I soldering the broken connection, I put some flux onto this, and that way I can keep that, I've been able to keep that wire piece for little bit longer time, but that's also not a good solution. So finally what I have to decided is to buy this resistor card as a brand new component, and I have to fix it to the car. So I've been able to find this resistor from AliExpress, and it is a very reliable way to fix this problem, because the soldering this connection is little bit tedious work, and also it's not gonna last for a long time. So best thing is, if you can buy new resistor card, then you can replace this resistor card. With that replacement, your blower motor fan will work in all the speeds. So this is the lowest speed, and this is the next one, this is the next one, and this is the full speed. So and another thing that I have to say is the location of this blower motor fan resistor in your car. So you can see this is the cubby hole of this car, and under that you can find this resistor card. Let me show you that clearly. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this this yellow color connection. That connection is connected to that resistor card. You can see a screw here, and there's another screw other side of that resistor card. This is connected to the connected under the dashboard with those two screws, and that connection wire is also connected to that resistor card. So this is the location of that blower motor resistor, and it is not a hard replacement. You can just loosen those screws and connect the new card, and I think it's very clear to you guys, and that's it for today's video, guys. It's really simple replacement. Only if you going to repair this resistor card, it's gonna take some long time, but if you are replacing that card, it's a really simple replacement. So I also recommend if you can replace this card, because repairing this is a little bit temporary solution. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and let's meet with another good video. Thank you.